So have you been struggling to pass your Profirm challenge? You heard of Profirm, you see other traders trading Profirm and making a lot of money from Profirm, and you have difficulty actually passing your challenge. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to pass your Profirm challenge, how to approach your Profirm challenge. They are not doing anything different from you. You just have to follow these simple steps I'm about to show you, right? So Profirm challenge tests your discipline and strategy. That's the first thing. So before you want to go into a Profirm, you need to first of all have a proven trading strategy and have a good trading plan, right? You need to have a proven strategy and have a good trading plan, applying proper risk management and being disciplined. Passing requires skills, patience, and risk control. Skills, patience, and risk control. Skills. You cannot be a beginner or still struggling with profitability or still struggling with consistency and you go getting a Profirm challenge. You will definitely fail it, right? So what you need to do is to acquire the skill, have the right skill. If you don't have the right skill, if you have probably learned from YouTube, scattered knowledge everywhere, at FN-FOREX Academy, we teach you how to trade from the basics so you're able to trade on your own and how to pass these Profirm challenges. We teach you all of that. If you cannot afford $100 to get our online course, then you can join our Telegram community where we give you daily tips on how to succeed as a trader. And even on this YouTube channel, we have videos that guide you on how to become a profitable trader, step-by-step guide, right? You can make sure you check that out and have the skill. You need the skill. Patience. Trading, to succeed in trading, you need patience. That's one skill, the highest skill every trader needs. The highest skill every beginner trader needs is the skill to be patient. Patient to wait for your entries, patient to learn from your mistakes, patience to keep growing one step at a time. If you don't have patience, you rush. And in the market, you cannot skip steps. Once you skip steps, consider yourself a failure. Lastly, risk control. You need proper risk control, risk management. The market has risk. So if you don't know how to control risks, then you can definitely not pass a Profirm challenge. Let's break it down. How to succeed. How do you succeed, right? Step to pass. The first step, follow risk management strictly. Risk management is very important. There's no Forex video I'll do without calling risk management. Why? Risk management is the key to successful trading because the market has risks. Anytime you place a buy or a sell, you must be risking something. So you need risk management to manage the risk. If there's no risk management, it means you are not managing risks. And if you are not managing risks, you are a failure, right? Stick to one proven trading strategy. A lot of traders out there, you have probably different mentors and role models you follow. Today you are on this particular strategy, tomorrow you're on this other strategy. It is not helping you in any way. You need one proven trading strategy. So stick to one proven strategy. Is it pure price action you want to trade? Support and resistance, trend line trading with the trend? Fine. Is it smart money concept you want to trade? Stick to it. Is it ICT you want to trade? Stick to it. I'm not one of those mentors that will come online and tell you that, okay, no, it's just this one that works. If I tell you that, yes, I trade pure price action. If I tell you that it is just price action that works, what about those who are trading smart money concept and are profitable? It means I'm bringing them down. It means I'm trying to bring them to the money. It means I'm trying to feel like I'm trying to make you think that, okay, those people that are trading smart money concept, they don't know what they are doing, which is wrong, right? But what I'm going to tell you is that choose a particular strategy and stick to it. Next, trade with discipline, not emotions. Discipline is what is going to take you to wherever level you want to get to in everything we do in life. So trading is not excluded. Trading Profirm is not excluded. You need discipline to follow your trading plan. You need discipline to follow the rules of the Profirm. No emotions. Fear, greed, no emotions, right? Yes, Profirms will give you big amounts. Let's say a Profirm gives you $100,000 to trade with. You are trading with $100,000. Target making to 10%. 5%, that's $5,000 to $10,000. But if you are greedy, if you put emotions in front, you want to make 20%, 30%, you find yourself maybe blowing off your life funded accounts. Why? Because you are trading with emotions, right? So keep emotions aside. The fear, the greed, the revenge trading, FOMO, keep all of that aside if you want to succeed when it comes to trading Profirms. Focus on consistency over quick profit. Consistency. First of all, with Profirms, quick profit, there's no quick profit in Profirms because when you get a Profirm challenge, if it's a Profirm that has two-phase evaluation, you need to go through the phase 1, the phase 2, before you get to the live funded, right? So you cannot want quick profit if you're trading with Profirms. You can want quick profit when you're trading your personal account. That's why I always recommend that if you want to trade Profirms, have a personal account where you can trade at the end of the week, you make some profit and withdraw and solve one or two things, or withdraw and take care of your daily needs. Profirms needs you to be consistent. Pass phase 1 consistently, pass phase 2 consistently, and apply the same principles used in passing the challenges on your live account. So it takes time, right? There's no quick money in Profirms. Take note of that. So the key takeaway I'm going to give all of you when it comes to Profirms is passing the Profirm challenge is about discipline, patience, and respecting the rules. It's not luck. Me getting my first $10,000 profit withdrawals from Profirm was not luck. It was skill. I had learned. I had gone through the process of actually learning, understanding the rules of the Profirm. You go to their website, you understand their rules, right? Once you understand their rules, you are being disciplined to follow those rules, right? The Profirm, maybe you want to trade the Profirm, they have a daily drawdown of 5%. You don't want to go trade past 5% daily drawdown. You blow the account. You're not disciplined. But if you're a disciplined trader where you say, okay, I'll take maximum 3 trades a day, where I'm risking maybe 1% per trade. So you know that the highest you go in terms of risk is 3% maximum. If you lost all your 3 trades for the day, that's you being disciplined, right? Be patient. You have to go through the phase 1, go through the phase 2 before you get to the funded stage. But if you go through phase 1, you took maybe 1 month to go through phase 1, phase 2 comes and you hurriedly rush, you are not patient, you blow phase 2. You don't find yourself being that funded trader. You don't find yourself having that capital to trade with and actually make that profit you dream of making. Why? Because you are not patient. When it comes to Profirms, you need to be patient. And lastly, respect the rules. Profirms have rules. Any Profirm you want to get into, go through their rules. Some Profirms will say don't trade news, don't trade high impact news. Respect their rules. Some Profirms will say don't hold trade over the weekend. Respect their rules. Some Profirms will say don't copy signals, don't copy trades from other people. With that, you have to respect their rules. If they say don't copy trades and you are looking to maybe copy trades from people, then look for a Profirm that is not going to take down your account because you copied signals, right? Or better still, I'll give you a hack. You could still copy signals, but now when you copy signals, don't copy exactly. When they give you an entry, they give you a stop loss and take profit. Don't put the exact stop loss, don't put the exact take profit. But with that, you need some skills. So if you just want to copy, you have not learned, you just want to copy, you see that it'll be very difficult for you to go around it. But if you know the skill, you have the skill, somebody gives a signal, let's say I give a signal on my free Telegram. By the way, if you want to copy my signals, I send out my free Telegram. You can click the link down below, join my free Telegram, I send these signals. Now let's say you want to copy that signal. I send a signal, entry price, stop loss, take profit. If the stop loss is 1.500, you put 1.501, right? That already makes the signal different. That's for Profirms that have issues with copy trading. But what I'm trying to say here is just follow the rules, right? Profirms basically are there to help you, but you need to be disciplined, you need to be patient, and you need to respect the rules. In case you're asking yourself, which Profirm should I start with? I recommend Funded Next. Click the link down below. You're going to see the link to create a trading account with Funded Next. They have a whole lot of advantages, and one of their favorite rules I like is that if you launch your withdrawal and after 24 hours they don't give you your withdrawal, they give you an extra $1,000 for not sending your withdrawals within 24 hours, right? They have a lot of other advantages which you can always check out. So just click the link down below, go to their website, check it out, create a trading account. If you have any questions regarding Profirms, please drop it down in the comment section. And if you find this video interesting, please click the thumbs up button and do subscribe to this video because I'll be bringing you more videos on Profirms, trading, and Forex lifestyle as a whole. Peace and love.